Good afternoon, Maguire's family. My name is Mason Stamen, and today I'm going to be presenting this 2020 Honda Pilot Touring. This Pilot is sitting at only 16,000 miles, and with it being the touring package, it is fully optioned. Tan leather seats, very large entertainment screen, equipped with a reverse camera. This reverse camera allows you to change the different views. This car has dual climate control, heated seats, power outlet, and a USB. There's your gear selector. Moving into the center console, you have the same thing, a 12 volt and a USB. This is a very large center console. Also up in the front, you have the economy mode, which allows for you to drive at peak fuel efficiency. Memory seats. Jumping into the back seats, you can see this Pilot is equipped with captain's chairs and a third row. Heated seats in the back, as well as climate control, 2 USBs, and a headphone jack for your movie theater. Blu-ray player forward right there. Screen right there, remote, and controls. Now, finally moving into the cargo area of the Pilot. With that third row folded up, you still get plenty of room. And if we fold these down, Pilot also comes equipped with power folding second row. And that is the same on both sides. But as you can see, once you do that, with the third row folded down, absolutely massive. Alright guys, so this was the 2020 Honda Pilot Touring, 16,000 miles. If you guys are interested, please come down to Maguire's Ford and Lincoln in Palmyra, Pennsylvania, and ask for Mason Stamen. Thank you so much, guys.